Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Madan. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair an earphone in an easy way. If you like the video, give it a like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my next video. So let's get started. This is Samsung earphone. The jack is actually damaged quite here, and the wire is also a right side speaker wire is a little broken. So today I'm gonna show you how to solve in a simple way, so you need not to purchase a new branded Samsung earphone. So to repair these, you need a scissor, lighter, wide stripper or wide cutter, tweezers and a blade, and a 125 degree Celsius heat shrink tube. This is 200 rupees. I have purchased through Amazon. And a soldering iron, soldering paste, soldering wire, and a soldering stand. So you just remove these. The wire is broken, so cut that. As you can see, I think, yeah, these are broken. Using white stripper or a scissor. Carefully you just remove this. A speaker you should not supposed to damage, otherwise it will not work properly. Solder the wire. Soldering paste. Insert the heat shrink tube for the wire. More heat shrink tube. For you can use, if the wire is more damaged, you can use only a single heat shrink tube, a long lengthy. Once you insert the heat shrink tube, then heat the tube efficiently. Make sure it should not heat more. Once you solder the wire, before soldering the soldering to the speaker, you should insert these. Don't forget. Solder. solder carefully to the respective wire. Now the solder is completed, as you can see. Now we just pull the wire and insert wire. And fix it. Now the speaker wire and is ready. Now you need to repair the jack because it's broken. Now the heat shrink you need to insert, so it is stuck, so you need to remove some of the plastic like this. You should carefully remove, otherwise it will damage and it may not work properly, so carefully remove all these. Once you insert it, as you can see, it is inserted quite good. So the heat shrink tube, it's ready. The damage is also I have used a heat shrink tube and I have cut the wire and connected to the speaker, and the jack is also looking quite good. So another I have made similar kind of damages happened in these two. So as you can see, is a black earphone. Actually the heat shrink tube, the black color use it here. Now let me check the earphone whether it's working or not. I'm inserting, which I have repaired. So this is a wire which was damaged. Now you can hear the sound. Both are working.